Please feed the YouTube algorithm by giving the video a like. If you want to see more like this, click subscribe and ring the bell to be notified of new videos. If you want to chip in on my expenses, I now have Patreon and YouTube memberships. Hello and welcome to Bangkok on my last day being a resident in the country. There's one thing I had to do before I got on the plane to Barcelona, and if you read the video title, you already know. I had to visit the new Tesla showroom that just opened last month in December. The Tesla Thailand subsidiary was registered with the government back in April of 2022. Recently, they've added purchasing in Thailand to the Tesla store website, and now the first showroom is live. Solar power and battery storage products have also been registered, so we have that to look forward to. More than 750,000 cars are sold in Thailand every year, and while most are compact cars or pickup trucks, there is plenty of market for Tesla to tap into. Every one of the several hundred Teslas previously purchased in Thailand was via a gray market importer in Bangkok. These companies supply high-end cars to the Bangkok market. For Teslas, they ship cars in from Hong Kong and the UK to get right-hand drive models. Then they mark them up 300% to cover shipping, taxes, and profit. Now, buying straight from Tesla at list price is a very good thing. The showroom is located in the Siam Paragon shopping mall in downtown Bangkok, where all the top fancy brands have their stores. To get here, just take the BTS metro to the Siam station and walk right into the mall. It took me a while to find, so just follow the signs to the Jewel or Fashion Hall on the first floor and you'll see it. What I discovered is that it's not a storefront as Tesla does with its other mall locations, but it's in a pop-up display area. I asked the lady in charge if they're going to make a permanent showroom somewhere, and she said yes, but she's not ready to say where it'll be located yet. She confirmed that we'll have a service center also, which is critical for what will be the rapidly increasing customer base. The great news is that since the cars are built at Giga Shanghai, they're brought into Thailand with 0% import duty. The Thai and Chinese culture and governments are very tightly connected, and they established this cut to accelerate the sales of EVs in Thailand. EVs coming from other countries are subject to 50 to 80% import duties, as I've described in my previous videos from the IEV Tech conferences. As you can see, they've got 2 Model 3s and 2 Model Ys on display, with performance and long-range models of each. Rear-wheel drive models are also for sale on the website. The pricing for the Model 3s are rear-wheel drive at 1,759,000 baht or $53,600. Long range at 1,999,000 baht or $60,900. And performance at 2,309,000 baht or $70,350. The Model Ys are rear-wheel drive at 1,959,000 baht or $59,700. Long range at 2,259,000 baht or $71,300. And performance at 2,509,000 baht or $76,447. Those sound high compared with the new price drop in America, but Thai prices always include 8% sales tax, and a similar price drop may be in the cards. Now, the big irony is I get to see my first official Tesla on the day I leave the country after waiting patiently for 9 years. Well, bad for me, but good for Thailand. I've already been to the Tesla showroom in Barcelona, and I'll visit again when I get over my jet lag. I hope the new owners enjoy their cars along with the supercharger network that will very shortly begin construction. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to feed the algorithm and do all the YouTube things. Take care and see you next time.